Hi, everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to invite people to attend an event that you are attending. So if you've already RSVP'd for an event or you've joined it, or you've signed up, registered, whatever, all the events are going to show up in the left-hand column of your homepage, right? So you have to click on home and you'll see all the events. And so let's try and find, so let's look at this event that I have, get hundreds of freelance clients. Okay, so I click on that, and then you can see below the event, you see the title of the event, the date, the event link, people who are attending, and then below that you see share. So I can just click invite. Okay, so the first, when I click on the share drop-down box, it says invite, it says post on feed, send in a message, share on Facebook, share on Twitter. So there's a bunch of options, right? Copy link, I could even send it in an email. Now, the best way to do this would be to click on the invite button, and then LinkedIn pulls up all these people, and I can say, let's say I select IU. Just giving you an example, I can invite up to 1,000 people a week to attend an event. So I'll click on invite, and then it says one person invited to attend the event. I could also copy the link and send it in a message in an email. If I could post it on my feed, so it says something like I'm attending. Would you like to attend? I could add something else as well on why I'm attending the event, and then I could add hashtags and I could post it. I'm just going to discard it for now. I could send it in a message, so I could send it to one person or multiple names. And then, I just click on the send at the bottom, and I could also add something additional, why I'm attending, just like with the post. So these are some ways you can promote and invite the people that people in your network you think will benefit from the event, because it's all about sharing knowledge on LinkedIn, nurturing relationships. So if you feel as an event that some people in your network will really benefit from, why not spread or share that event with them? So I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have an event coming up, share the link in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching.